I need to get these books caught up, and the online bank feeds only go back so far. Please don't tell me I need to manually enter these transactions one by one. Is there a faster way? Yes, my friend, there is a faster way. Now, you haven't specified here what your general ledger program is, so I'm not going to give a click-by-click answer, but I will give you a couple of specific pointers. Number one, yes, you asked if there's a faster way. Because no way do you want to be entering in these transactions manually. So one of the things that you can do is first, and this will save you the most amount of time, contact the bank directly. Find out if you can get CSV statements for those periods that you need, because that would save you so much time, it's crazy. And from that point on, you can skip to my third piece of advice I'm about to give. Advice number two, if you can't get those bank statements in CSV format, then go ahead and download them as PDFs, and then you can convert them to a CSV. There are a number of different programs out there that can convert a PDF to an Excel file or PDF to CSV. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. For the free ones, just do some due diligence to see if they somehow capture that data or keep that data. I was looking into a couple of them today. Cool Utils is one of them. I'm curious as to whether or not that technology, what they do with the data. A lot of them claim that they don't do anything with the data. That is just, they don't download it. They just convert it for you, and these conversions are done in like 5 seconds. So that's one of the tools that you can use. And then skipping over to step 3, which is, okay, now what do I do once I have the data in CSV format? So what precisely to do with that depends on what general ledger system that you're using. Some online software, like online programs like QuickBooks Online and Xero, there are certain tools that you can use to upload, or techniques that you can use to upload directly from a CSV, as long as the data is organized in a certain format. Similarly with QuickBooks Desktop, if you're using the Accountant's Edition of QuickBooks Desktop, which you need to be using, if you're using any other edition but Accountant Edition, you're losing time, I can almost guarantee it. The Accountant's version has so many other tools that are really great time savers, and not just for external accountants either. So consider it. One of these tools is called Batch Enter, and as long as you have your information in an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV format, and as long as it's laid out in a certain way, for instance, all the dates in one column, all the vendors in one column, all of the amounts in another column, and all the expense accounts, and separate out, you can only import the disbursements in a batch, deposits in a separate batch. You can import credit card charges in a batch, and credits actually in the same batch, and some other items as well. So as long as you have your data organized just so, it's pretty much just copy and paste. The hard part really is getting the information into the right format in Excel, because if you've converted from PDF, the data might not be exactly how you need it. So you're really going to need some Excel skills and Excel juice to get this one going. But if you're doing a lot of months of catch-up bookkeeping, get them all in a single spreadsheet tab, and you can use those formulas and techniques and really handle a lot of these all at once. I mean, thousands and thousands of transactions. You can get handled with some sophisticated formulas and maybe a couple of macros, and get them all organized into a database. From that point on, you're pretty much just copying and pasting in bulk into QuickBooks.